Most people around us like beautiful and stylish watches. Some of them have their own watch collection, so they can use different watches for different occasions. The prices that a normal person pay to purchase watches is not that much, but do you know that there are some watches that are priced at millions of dollars? An ordinary man can't even earn this much money in his entire life, for which a single watch is traded. In today's video, we will tell you about 5 the most expensive watches in this world. You are watching Interesting Things, and before starting, please hit the subscribe button to get future updates. 5th the most expensive watch in world is Jaeger LeCoultre Jewelry 101 Mensured. This watch is made up of the most expensive materials like white gold and very delicately cut diamonds. Small pieces of white gold are attached together, and a large number of diamonds also add to the beauty of this bracelet-like watch. 576 diamonds are attached on pieces of white gold. Machine of this watch is smallest miniature caliber 101 movement. This watch was specially made and gifted to British Queen Elizabeth to celebrate 60th year of her reign. This watch deserves to be worn on exclusive state functions. The price tag of this watch is $26 million. That is quite some money we are talking about. 4th expensive watch is Breguet Grand Complication Marie Antoinette. This is a pocket watch and is very complicated. Legend is that this watch was commissioned for French Queen Marie Antoinette by one of her lovers. This fan ordered to watchmaker that this watch should include all available complications known at that time, and it should be as complete as possible. There was no limit imposed on the price and time to create this masterpiece. Unfortunately, the queen was not alive when this grand complication was finally completed after 44 years of its first order. But when finished, this was some piece of work that is still recognized today. In 1983, it was stolen from a museum, and after very long struggle, this was found back in 2007. While it was stolen, a replica was made that also took 3 years even after using the same designs available. The price of this masterpiece is $30 million. That matches the class of this great watch. Patek Philippe Grandmaster Chime is 3rd the most expensive watch in the world. This is a great work of brilliance. It is the only watch of its kind, and no same watch will ever be produced. This factor also contributes towards the increase in its price. The 4 spring barrels of this watch drive 20 different complications. There are some functions that are only introduced first time in this watch. This is the only most complicated watch Patek Philippe has produced. Its front salmon color dial was not enough to show all information, so another dial was created on back of it. The price of this watch is a whopping $31 million that totally justifies its value. Second most heavily priced watch in world is Graf Diamonds The Fascination. This is created by famous British jeweler Graf Diamonds. The Fascination is 100% covered by diamonds that are very beautifully cut and attached on its case. The watch itself looks like a one big diamond. A total of 152.96 carat diamonds are used for this watch that is quite amazing and gives a very beautiful look. The dial of this watch is around 38 carats and can also be used as a ring. That is a quite useful thing. If we talk about the price of this diamond filled watch, so it's $40 million that most of the people can only dream of. The most expensive watch in world is Graf Diamonds Hallucination. This is also created by Graf Diamonds, and it's also covered with multi-shade diamonds. To create this masterpiece, different multicolored diamonds were used that give it a rainbow look. The weight of diamonds used for this watch is around 110 carats and are attached on a platinum case. Small dial of this watch is also very beautiful and attractive. The price of this watch is $55 million. A watch at this price is quite a thing for a wrist. This was detail of 5 the most expensive watches in this world. Which one of these you want to wear? Please do tell us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.